Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to find the sound and vibration section. Then let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got the section with the ringtones, the notification sounds and the alarm sounds. So of course, let me tap on phone ringtone, and as you can see, after entering, we will have this list of the ringtones which are defaultly applied, which are defaultly installed. You can always tap on custom ringtone and basically you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear somewhere and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. Or you can also set none, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. Let me volume it down a little bit. And basically this is how it works. So just tap on it and listen. And if you will decide that you want to set, for example, this one, Discover in my case, make sure that it is marked and simply go back. It will be immediately applied and from now on your device will use it to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.